Okay, so this is one of those, another direct variation. So it says the number of gift baskets that Nikki can make varies directly with the amount of time that she spends making the baskets. She can make 4 baskets in a half hour. And we want to know how many baskets she can make in 5 hours. So when we have the y varies directly with x, that's our constant. That's y is equal to kx. Now, we're given the value of y and the value of x. So k is equal to 4 divided by 1/2. Now remember, when we're taking a number and we're dividing it by a fraction, we end up multiplying it by the reciprocal of the fraction. So then that would be 4 times 2 over 1, which will give us 8. So k is equal to 8. So now I can create my equation. So y is equal to 8x. So whatever value of x that we pick, we can find out what the value of y is. So, for example, I'm going to go back in just to show you how to make sure that works. If I'm talking about half an hour, okay, so then that's going to be 8 times 1/2, which is equal to 4, which she can make 4 baskets in half an hour. So that works. We did our direct variation equation correctly. Now, but we want to know how many in 5 hours. So that's going to be, we're going to say y is equal to 8x. That's our equation. So y is equal to 8 times 5. So y is equal to 40. So she can make 40 baskets in 5 hours. Now, that's not the only way that you could have done this. We could have done it, in half-hour increments if we can't remember how to set this up. So this is our answer. Now let's look at this the other way. If I were to set this up another way, let's talk about this in half-an-hour increments. So this is our y value, our x and our, we have our x and we have our y value. So our x value is 1/2. So we're talking about, so then we have 1/2, then we have 1 hour, so then we have 1.5 hours, then we have, reality, I would find it easier once you find how much you get in 1 hour, then you skip to being even increments, because then we know that's going to make it easier for us. So if half an hour we can make 4 baskets, then we know in 1 hour we can make 8 baskets. So then in half an hour we can make 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That would be 12. So then in 2 hours, 8, so that's going to be 16. And then, so then we have 30. So then, if you notice, our slope is 8. Again, that's another way that we can look at this, but we're experimenting here. So then, so for 1 hour we had 8, and then so in 16 hours we're gonna have, so in 3 hours we're gonna have 32, and then 4 hours. Hold on, wait, I did that wrong. That would be 24, because we added 8. So then 24 plus 8, so in 4 hours, we're going to have 32. And then 5 hours, we are going to have the required 40 baskets. So those are 2 different ways that you can solve that problem.